There's some whores in this house, for real. I said certified hands. Better ask the fans. Fat and
Hey you guys, it's LoveLee here and I'm back with another review video. I will be reviewing this wig right here. This is a headband wig from Feceli Hair and they are located on Amazon. This is a 16-inch body wave human hair headband wig and it is 150% density as well. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys the band. It does have a Velcro on it and it snaps in the back. Well, not snaps, but you know, you put it together, Velcro together to tighten it up. It has adjustable straps as well, and I think it has two or three combs. So this is what it looks like. I just did a little up down type of look on it, and I think I said it was body wave. It looks kind of like a wet look. Kind of looks really wet. Let me fix this. Also, this band came with it too, you guys, so you do get a free headband with this wig, which I think you mostly get with all headband wigs. This is my first headband wig and I didn't know how I would like it, but this is actually really cute. So yeah, it came in this satin bag right here and this little plastic bag that says 16 inches on it. But I really like this wig. It's really soft, like really soft. There's like no shedding with this wig as well. And since it's summertime, like who really wants to put lace glue all over their damn skin? Like that should be sweating off, especially for the girls that's extra sweaty. Get you a headband wig because ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, this is really cute. Let me do another little style. But this wig is on Amazon, so I will have everything down in the description box if you would like to get a wig. And you don't get to choose your headband. I should have said that. It's chosen by random. I guess they show you what types you can get and they choose it by random. So yeah, this is what it looked like with the hair just back. Looks really cute. Oh, dude. See it up. So this is what it looks like up. It's cute. The hair is pretty thin, but I mean, it's a headband wig. It ain't gotta do all that extra stuff, you feel me? It's really cute though. I like it. So yeah, you guys, Feceli Hair on Amazon. Everything will be in the description box. So hit it up Feceli and get your wig, okay? Get your wig from Feceli, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm saying. Go. In the description. In the description. The link in the description. Description, the link in the description. Description. Yeah.
this tea, bitch, we all sip. Your husband, bitch, he dipped that house. You did not flip. YouTube need to get hit one sneeze. Yo, shirt.